Got just £5, $10, or maybe a bit more sitting around? Good news! You don't need to be wealthy to start building your financial future. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 smart ways to invest small amounts of money, whether you're in the UK, the US, or pretty much anywhere else. Let's kick things off with high-interest savings accounts. These are a no-brainer for your emergency fund or short-term savings goals. Unlike standard savings accounts, they actually pay you a decent amount of interest. Your money stays safe, easily accessible, and keeps growing. In the UK, check out accounts from Chase or Monzo. In the US, look into Ally or Marcus by Goldman Sachs. Next up, index funds and ETFs. These are ideal if you want to grow your money over the long term without picking individual stocks. They track the overall stock market or certain sectors, and they spread out your risk by investing in hundreds of companies at once. For example, an S&P 500 ETF lets you invest in top US companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon, all in one go. You can get started with just a small amount through apps like Fidelity, Vanguard, or Trading 212. Now if you'd prefer something more hands-off, consider robo-advisors. These are automated platforms that build and manage your investment portfolio for you. You answer a few questions about your goals and risk tolerance, and they handle the rest, even rebalancing your investments over time. In the UK, check out Moneyfarm or Nutmeg. In the US, Betterment and Wealthfront are solid options. Ever wanted to own part of a big brand like Google or Tesla but couldn't afford a whole share? With fractional shares, you don't have to. You can buy just a small slice of a stock, so even £1 or $5 can get you started. Platforms like Robinhood, eToro, Trading 212, and Freetrade make this super easy. And finally, let's talk about micro-investing apps. These help you invest spare change without even thinking about it. Say you buy a coffee for £2.60 or $2.60. The app rounds it up to £3 or $3 and invests the difference. Over time, those little amounts add up. Acorns is popular in the US, while in the UK, look into Plum or Chip. So here's the thing. You don't need a lot of money to start investing, just the willingness to begin. The earlier you get started, the more time your money has to grow. Which of these options are you going to try? Let me know in the comments. And hey, if you found this helpful, give it a like, hit that subscribe button for more smart money tips, and tap the bell so you don't miss what's next.